Okay, let's put your baby instrument away. So carefully unscrew your ligature just a couple of times. It does need to be completely unscrewed. And you can wiggle that reed off the same way that you put it on and put it in your mouth. Then you can take your ligature off, carefully put it somewhere safe, and holding on to that key, very carefully you can untwist your mouthpiece from your neck. Just do little baby twists like that and it should come right off. Now your neck can get put away. And your ligature goes back on your mouthpiece. You never want to put on your mouthpiece cap without the ligature. So put the ligature on first. Now that's ready to get put away. I like to store mine inside the little bag that it came in. So I just put it in there, face down, and it's nice and secure. Now I'll put my reed into my reed case, but not push it up there too hard.